Few days have not been peaceful for the people of Kilgoris constituency residing in Nkararo and Enoosaen locations. There have been clashes, skirmishes, fights, and a total disruption of order in the area. The events have been quite costly. Lives of young people have been lost and their hopes brought to an abrupt end. In this week alone, cattle have been robbed in broad daylight. Sugarcane, now the main crop of the area, has been burnt, occasioning huge losses. And now, houses have been burnt down by very bold arsonists. Mr. Speaker, the fight has been by use of traditional weapons, being bows and arrows. However, there is now a threat of guns being used in this fight. This will escalate matters and, needless to say, will lead to fatalities not witnessed before. The clashes in this area have gone on for too long, and unless a comprehensive solution is found, there does not seem to be any end coming soon. On Monday, the 5th of June, I convened a meeting attended by representatives of the two warring clans, together with the security teams of Transmara. In this meeting, we identified the possible causes of these clashes. In summary, one clan holds that the other has taken away their land. The other clan maintains that no such land was taken. This land dispute arises from the inconclusive manner in which the Ministry of Lands demarcated the boundaries in those sections. In 1985, both Enoosaen adjudication section, occupied mainly by the Wasinkishu clan, and the Nkararo adjudication section, occupied mainly by the Syria clan, were demarcated to be adjudication sections. Unfortunately, the boundary dividing these sections is not a natural feature, not a river, and not a valley. It is a straight line which is to be determined by GPS. A few years ago, under the leadership of Mr. Natembea, the then regional commissioner of the Rift Valley, a boundary was determined, and apparently it was agreed that a road be built to mark the boundary. This road was constructed and is in place. Unfortunately, this road has created a new dispute. Persons disadvantaged by that say that the road has taken away their land. But the acreage in dispute, Mr. Speaker, is only about 30 acres. This seems to be the bone of contention. The government and we the leaders in Kilgoris, and indeed the county leadership in Narok, should explore a route to reconciling the two clans. And indeed, we have a plan to reconcile the two clans. However, as we wait for this solution, the government must find an end to the fighting and wanton destruction of the property. We recommend that the minister do send a permanent group of GSU and RDU officers to the site, and the community and ourselves are prepared to give land and housing to those officers so that they can deal with the situation adequately. I therefore request for a statement, Mr. Speaker, from the CS of the Interior to explain what he can promptly and urgently